I'm gonna narrate you an incident which happened with three friends. They went to Bhopal for a job, but they didn't have any kind of information that this tour will be horrified. They reached on their destination. They were finding a place to stay. Then they looked in a house which was affordable for them. Then three of them went there. They asked them that what is the price of this? Then owner said, it is very reasonable for you. They said, okay. Then they decided to stay in that home. Then at night, two of friends, they went outside for eating something. But a friend whose name was Ram, he was sleeping in a room. He was sleeping with full of joyness, but he didn't have information that his joyness is gonna turn into a hell. He was sleeping, but suddenly a creepy voice came in his ear, and he listened that someone is crying. But the shocking thing is that no one used to live in that apartment instead of them. Then he started to ask, who is there? Who is there? No one was replying. They were full of the peace. Then again he asked, who is there? Who is there? Then a voice came. Shh. Then he was scared a lot. Then he slept. He was thinking that he is dreaming. Then after that, his friend came. He said this incident to his friend, but they were not believing on him. They were thinking that he must be dreaming. But the next day, another friend, he was taking bath. After taking bath, he went for sleeping. Then he felt that someone is trying to kill him. He was thinking that I am dreaming. But when he opened his eyes, that a creepy thing, he was sitting on his chest. Then he shouted, help! Help! Ramesh! Ram! Where are you? Then they suddenly came. Then Ramesh started to laugh. What happened with you? Then he said to his friend in his scary face, someone was sitting on my chest. Then they both were making fun of them. That now you are also saying same things as Ram said yesterday. Then one of the friend who was vegetarian, he went in his room, and two of friends who was non-vegetarian, they have meat and chapatis for eating at night, and they put it in a room of that one boy who was vegetarian. Then, suddenly, at 2 a.m., he started to eat non-vegetarian and chapatis. They both friends came in his room. They both were very shocked. They were saying, Ram, what happened with you? Ram, what happened with you? They both said twice. But there was no reply. Then a friend, he said, is there a ghost in you? Then he didn't reply anything. He was saying, did I look like ghost? Then they both were shocked that they said, you were saying that there is no need to eat non-veg. We can also survive with veg. But he didn't reply anything. He was eating non-veg in a very creepy way. Then they have a doubt that someone is inside him, but they didn't have as much power that they can make run it. Then suddenly Ramesh, he called a priest. He said that I think that here is a ghost in our home. So how can we get rid of him? Then they said, a priest said that one entity is very dangerous. He can kill three of you in a second, but I don't know why is he not killing you. Then suddenly he said that without wasting your time, you should leave that home. Then they went in a Ram's room. Then they said, Ram, we should leave this home. He was not saying anything. They again said, they pulled Ram, let's go. Then Ram pushed both of them. Then he said, I will not leave.